What's up YouTube? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Converse. So getting straight into it, we're going to be taking our laces, threading them down through the first two holes. Before you bring your laces all the way through the hole, if you bring your two ends of the laces together and you pull up, you'll find, making sure that the first bar is untangled and nice and flat, you'll find that your laces are the same length as each other. So we're going to start with the outside lace first. We're going to bring it across the shoe to the inside second hole. Make sure not to pull too tight, so you keep it nice and loose and relaxed looking. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to take it across the shoe to the outside second hole. As I take the lace across the shoe, I try and keep it nice and flat so it doesn't get twisted. Then keeping that lace in your hand, we're going to take it across the shoe to the inside third hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to take it across the shoe to the outside third hole. And keeping that lace in your hand, you're going to bring it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to bring it across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. And we're going to keep that lace in our hand as we bring it across the shoe and put it into the inside fifth hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Now, whereas we've been placing the laces down through the holes as we've run up the shoe, we're now going to take the last part of the laces and we're going to bring it across the shoe and go up through the last hole. And again, up through the last hole. Because you're not going to be tying your shoes, you're going to be finding that you've got too much laces that you're going to be stepping on. So a cool sneaker hack would be that you take the lace back through to make a loop, leave as much lace as you'd like hanging out, take the other lace again, bring it back through to make a loop, make sure that the laces hanging out are the same, put the two loops together and we're going to take them underneath the tongue. So just sliding it either side, like that. You'll find that when you're wearing the style, your foot will keep the laces in place under the tongue. Pull out your laces to just enough length and there you have your loosely laced Converse. So I hope that was helpful. If you did find it so, make sure to give a thumbs up and for the next tutorial, subscribe. Thanks for watching.